Let's see how to insert rupee sign in your Excel or other documents. To do this, you need to download your Hindi language from the Windows language settings. Then the keyboard language will be visible in the taskbar. Now press Shift+4 from keyboard. If you got any benefit from watching my videos, please subscribe my channel.